Bitcoin shocks investors as Wall Street continues to freefall. Crypto's largest stablecoin goes live on Polkadot, and GPU markets wander without a home after a successful Ethereum merge. My name is Jay Chains, and this is your nightly crypto news wrap-up. Let's get it. With macroeconomic tensions boiling up to levels not seen in decades, the US dollar has decided to go parabolic, and with that, speculative markets and commodities have felt the brunt of the pain so far. Bitcoin is looking to rise above the rest as crypto markets are now showing surprising strength in this uncertainty. Markets are continuing to expect monetary tightening from the Fed as inflation remains largely unchecked, and a crossroads is approaching for policymakers to decide the fate of markets as trade partners in Western Europe fight to keep the values of fiat from crashing to dangerous valuations. Bitcoin and other top cryptos are shining a light of value for people looking to protect their wealth, and many trillion-dollar firms are positioning under the shadow of this bear market to give institutional-level investors seamless entry points. The race is on as the DXY continues to skyrocket. Now, will Bitcoin be able to keep up? Let's throw it over to Frankie Candles for a market update.
Thanks, Jay Chains. All right, guys, let's jump in and do a little market watch here. We've got Bitcoin coming in at $19,221, up about 2.2% on the day. We've got Ethereum coming in at $13.35, up about 3% on the day. Real quick, guys, I want to bring you over to the Bitcoin chart because we do have a new bearish signal that has confirmed on the daily chart just to add to all these bearish signals we've been getting, and that's going to be the yellow X on the daily time frame. Now, when mixed with our confirmed second yellow X here on the weekly, with the weekly money flow coming back out, plus the 6-day, 5-day, and 4-day yellow X, it would make me lean a bit more bearish. Now, one thing you do want to realize is you are creating bullish divergence here at support. So this is where you could see price pop up. So that is your bullish case. But I always tell people be very careful with the bullish setups when you have these yellow X's around, because a lot of times those yellow X's can step on those bullish setups. If you guys want to follow me, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube or Frankie_Candles on all socials. Back to the news.
Thanks, Frank. Now, don't forget that you can trade like Frank using Femex. We have an exclusive deal for BitSquad members that you can only get by clicking the link below. Tether has been a top stablecoin for most of its time in the crypto market since its 2014 launch, and with that has come some questions on its $1-to-1 dollar backing. Despite the ongoing audits and finance checks, many top crypto projects have continued to integrate into its massive market cap and provides users a smooth on and off ramp for exchanges and projects. Polkadot, one of crypto's best in cross-chain functionality, is the latest to adopt Tether, or USDT, to its growing ecosystem, and with that, a wave of direct exposure for DeFi projects and services to take advantage of its functionality. According to CTO Paulo Arodino, USDT on Polkadot will bring a major upgrade in accessibility for the Polkadot network and reduce the negative impacts felt from market volatility. Excited to see companies continue to upgrade and make a system worth mainstream adoption. Now, you can join the movement to support crypto adoption by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, and share this video with a friend. GPU miners and manufacturers alike are left scrambling from a recent price crash as golden days of profits for GPU companies might have come to an abrupt end in the afterglow of a successful Ethereum merge. South China Morning Post reports a compound loss in demand for GPUs is being seen across the market from energy cost increases, proof-of-stake upgrades on the Ethereum network, and economic slowdowns. Sales have dropped off at breakneck speeds with a 37% drop in price on GPUs over the last 3 months, and industries like gaming and AI are beginning to swoop in and make the best of this crash at rock-bottom prices. Comment below with your favorite crypto project that we should cover. That's all I got. Have a great rest of your night. Jay Chains, out.